Attention please. Coordination Committee of MQM apologizes to all well-wishers of Waqائid تحریک, Mr. الطاف Hussein, for the postponement of his live speech on Saturday the 19th of December due to his important and emergent engagement. According to the new schedule, the live speech will be broadcast on Sunday, 20th December 2020, UK time 4 p.m. and Pakistan time 9 p.m. In his address, he will shed light on tragedies and catastrophes in Pakistan's history, including incidents of Qasba Ali Garh 1986, Sohrab Goat Karachi, Hyderabad Market Chalk 1986, Pakka Khila Hyderabad Massacre in 1990, and many more. Mr. Altaf Hussein will also shed light over the 19th June 1992 state operation and ongoing operation since 2013 against MQM. It is a request to all Wafa Paris and millennials to listen to this address and learn about the cruelty perpetrated against the MQM. The live speech will be broadcast on Sunday, 20th December 2020, UK time 4 p.m. and Pakistan time 9 p.m.
To watch and listen Altaf Hussein's by historical and thought-provoking lectures, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel Revolutions with Altaf, and don't forget to press the bell icon.